15 foods to eat on a ketogenic diet. A ketogenic diet typically limits carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day. While this may seem challenging, many nutritious foods can easily fit into this way of eating. Here are some healthy foods to eat on a ketogenic diet. One. Seafood. Many types of seafood are carb-free or are very low in carbs. Fish and shellfish are also good sources of vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s. 2. Low-carb vegetables. Keto vegetable list: 1 asparagus, 2 avocado, 3 broccoli, 4 cabbage, 5 cauliflower, 6 cucumber, 7 green beans, 8 eggplant, 9 kale, 10 lettuce, 11 olives, 12 peppers, especially green, 13 spinach, 14 tomatoes, 15 zucchini. 3. Cheese. Here are keto cheese list: 1 blue cheese, 2 brie, 3 camembert, 4 cheddar, 5 cheddar, 6 Colby Jack, 7 cottage cheese, 8 cream cheese, 9 feta, 10 goat cheese, 11 halloumi, 12 Havarti, 13 Limburger, 14 Manchego, 15 mascarpone, 16 mozzarella, 17 Munster, 18 Parmesan, 19 pepper jack, 20 provolone, 21 Romano, 22 string cheese, 23 Swiss. 4. Avocados. Avocados contain 2 grams of net carbs per serving and are high in fiber and several nutrients, including potassium. In addition, they may help improve heart health markers. 5. Meat and poultry. Meat and poultry do not contain carbs and are rich in high-quality protein and several nutrients. Grass-fed meat is the healthiest choice. 6. Eggs. Eggs contain less than 1 gram of carbs each and can help keep you full for hours. They're also high in several nutrients and may help protect eye and heart health. 7. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Both plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese contain 5 grams of carbs per serving. Studies have shown that they help reduce appetite and promote fullness. 8. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It's ideal for salad dressings, mayonnaise, and adding to cooked foods. 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are heart-healthy, high in fiber, and may lead to healthier aging. They provide 0 to 8 grams of net carbs per ounce. 10. Berries. Berries are rich in nutrients that may reduce the risk of disease. They provide 5 to 12 grams of net carbs per 3.5 ounce serving. 11. Butter and cream. Butter and cream are nearly carb-free and appear to have neutral or beneficial effects on heart health when consumed in moderation. 12. Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles contain less than 1 gram of carbs per serving. Their viscous fiber helps slow down the movement of food through your digestive tract, which promotes fullness and stable blood sugar levels. 13. Olives. Olives are rich in antioxidants that may help protect heart and bone health. They contain 1 gram of net carbs per ounce. 14. Unsweetened coffee and tea. Unsweetened coffee and tea contain no carbs and can help boost your metabolic rate, as well as physical and mental performance. They can also reduce your risk for diabetes. 15. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder are high in antioxidants and may help reduce the risk of heart disease. The bottom line: A ketogenic diet can be used to achieve weight loss, blood sugar management, and other health-related goals. Fortunately, it can include a wide variety of nutritious, tasty, and versatile foods that allow you to remain within your daily carb range. To reap all the health benefits of a ketogenic diet, consume keto-friendly foods on a regular basis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe to my channel.